This is John at AlgoFutures Trader with the weekly market roundup for the week ending July 30th. What I thought I'd do this week is just something simple, and that's go through each day, Monday through Friday, and see how we did with the micro ES here, trading the 3-lot with the standard template that comes out of the box with the AlgoFutures Trader 7 and AlgoFutures Trader 8 platforms. So you can see here was Monday, and this was the 26th of July. And you can see everything was to the long side. So basic components here, this shaded blue area, that's the no trade zone. Price has to be get beyond, either above or below, to be breaking out, because this is a opening morning breakout system. And you can see right off the open, broke out to the upside here. The only filter that this is using is the traffic light filter. So when these dots here at the bottom, when they're all green, it's basically telling you that the market is breaking out, in this case to the upside. We're above the VWAP here, the blue dotted line here. We're trending based on the USAR to the upside. Right, so all those ingredients are coming together, saying it's okay for the system to initiate a long trade here. And it's taking 2 contracts. It's trading a 3-lot, taking 2 contracts off, and then trailing the balance. So this one, basically, you got in the morning, you got 2 off, and then it just basically held that last contract to the end of the day where it would close out. So plus 119 on Monday. All right, not bad for a market that didn't really do a whole lot. Now here was Tuesday. And Tuesday, you can see, was just the opposite. Everything was to the short side, and it broke down. So it broke out of the no trade zone to the downside here, and you can see all the signals to the short side, and the traffic light filter here in agreement right off the open. And so it took the initial target there, profit target 1 at 43.9350, and then just trailed basically the rest of the day. Well, it got stopped here on a trailing stop at 43.79, and that was right around 2:45 Eastern. All right, so that ended with a profit of $149 on the 3-lot on Tuesday. Now Wednesday was Fed day, right? And that should tell you something right there. Usually, especially in the morning, that's kind of a stay out until after the announcement, let the dust settle before you initiate any trades. But just to show you, all right, well, typical, right? Minus 145 on a Fed day, because you can see the market really, I mean, it did break down initially in the morning and reached a first profit target. But the rest of the day was a little too active. Now, if you just traded the morning, you probably did all right. But once the Fed announcement came, right, that played kind of havoc with the system there. So not a surprise there. But day after Fed day, we rebounded a little bit. Broke out to the long side here. This would be Thursday. Got your 2 contracts off, and then stopped on the 1 lot. And that was pretty much at the end of the day. So again, the day after Fed day tends to be kind of a dud, and you can see not a lot of bars printed that day. All this activity here was after the stock market close, right, in the overnight. Right, and then finally on Friday, right, nothing but long on Friday. So went long, broke out to the upside off the open. Got your 2 off, and then basically would have just been sitting until the close here and exiting, at the close. So basically that last contract, just kind of didn't really get to trail, so the stop really didn't move, but you would have been out at a profit on that last contract for 88.75. So a good week all around. Except for the Fed day, Wednesday, which is to be expected. But that's a day you can probably just, you probably would eliminate that morning Again, we weren't using any filters here except the traffic light filter, but just to kind of give you an idea of the baseline right out of the box, how this system works and how it trades. All right, hope that's helpful. We'll be back next week. Have a great one.